Your family, your health, our passion. This is Family Practice with Dr. Jeffrey Fox, sponsored by Family Practice Associates of Lexington, PSC. Visit us at fpalex.com and like us on Facebook.
Welcome back. This is our community resource section. My next guest is Ty Kompinski, who is the Director of Volunteer and Guest Services at Baptist Health Lexington, and Jim Allison, who is the President of the Baptist Health Lexington Auxiliary. So Jim, let's start with you. Tell us what the auxiliary is.
Well, thank you very much. The auxiliary is the organization of volunteers for Baptist Health Lexington, as well as Baptist Health Hamburg. And our goal is to really make the patients who come to either of our facilities as welcome as they can be. We want them to feel relaxed, as relaxed as one can be when he's going in for some kind of medical treatment. But we have folks who are coming from central Kentucky and eastern Kentucky, as well as southeast Kentucky. And many of them have not been to a hospital or sought any kind of treatment. So our goal as volunteers is to make them feel as welcome as we can.
Well, now you mentioned volunteers. Ty, there are a lot of volunteers. Tell us a little bit about them and what they do, and I hope I got your last name pretty close there.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, first of all, thank you so much for having us. And we do have a vast amount of volunteers who come from all over the community. We have various programs actually, but we have about 150 adult volunteers just for our Lexington campus alone. We're growing by the minute with all of our Hamburg location that opened this April. But we also have programs that are available for college students, for high school students in the summertime, and so many different opportunities from the very front of the hospital and all the different entrances. We really want to provide that concierge level service of hospitality. So if it's just simple as finding their way around the hospital, but also a lot of the one-on-one support in various areas such as the surgery center, the cancer center in both Lexington and Hamburg. And then also some very specialized areas. So we have a canine program. So if you have any certified pets that are service dogs specifically, we're growing that program by the minute, especially this past year. We've grown that a lot. But also some particular specializations for people that have a background in marketing or communications. Jim was mentioning our auxiliary board. We have so many folks that want to invest their time, but also their own networks. And so that's how we want to really specialize in supporting all of our patients with that community of joy, respect, and hospitality at Baptist Health.
So if people want to volunteer, are there ways to access the system to find out if there's an opportunity for them?
Yes, sir. If you just actually go right to baptisthealth.com, specifically the Lexington location, under the segment that is under Connect and Serve, there is actually a tab that actually can connect them. It highlights volunteer opportunities. They can go to a direct application there. And then also for any of your viewers who have any loved ones or are going to our campuses, either in Lexington or Hamburg, we have several different full-length posters with a QR code that actually they just have to scan it right there on their phone, and they can apply directly right there. Great.
Now, Jim, the auxiliary also does the gift shop. Briefly tell us a little bit about that quickly.
Well, the gift shop, you've heard of U.S. News and World Report, especially as it relates to hospitals and to colleges, for example. I've always said that if our gift shop at Baptist Health Lexington had any kind of a U.S. News and World Report ranking, it would be number one because it is a wonderful gift shop, and the gift shop proceeds, the profits from the operation of that gift shop, which of course is nonprofit, but all of the funds that are received from the sale of items in that gift shop come back to the auxiliary. And we in turn then dedicate those funds back to the hospital. And we appreciate so much all you guys do, and all the volunteers that are listening out there. We appreciate you all doing. We appreciate you coming in and tell us some of the things you do and how people can help.
We also appreciate you all for watching our different format tonight. If you would like to watch this episode or past episodes again, you can access them through the Family Practice Associates website at fpalex.com or go to the Family Practice YouTube channel. Again, thanks for watching. Join us next month for more great healthcare information on family practice.